Hello, everybody. My name is the new best fun toad ever, and welcome back to another brand new reaction video. Today, we're going to be reacting to is the Pootis birds are coming. Poop, poop. I could just exactly make the exact same noise as the heavy does, but Pootis. It's kind of funny how that's actually exactly funny, but just imagine if I did a voice like that, and it would be funny just to make that as a hilarious pun. But anyways, so today we're going to be reacting to is the Pootis birds are coming, and also that brings another reference saying as the zombies are coming, just from Plants vs Zombies. Oof. Anyway, without that being said, everybody, don't forget to subscribe to the original person, original credit support, original video. And again, everybody, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget, again, I said before, is don't worry about Mortal Kombat 4 right now. Mortal Kombat 4 will still continue on at the very end after when it's finished. So yeah, I'm very close of getting near that done, so yeah. And if you guys are excited for the Ultimate Custom Night, then absolutely yes, I'll be able to challenge the Ultimate Custom Night. But yeah, again, with that being said, enjoy the video and let's go. Let's see what happens here. Hmm. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. Poop this bird poop. Oh no. What the? Oh no. Ooh. Now that made him fly away. Uh oh. Oh no, here comes all the Pootis birds. Wow, poor sniper. Ouch. Oh. Whoa boy, here comes the big oh here comes the big giant Pootis bird. Okay, well, there we go. Wow. Nice way how to make that video awesome. Nice. Well done on that. Well done. Cool. Very interesting, though. Very interesting. Hmm. Huh. Not bad. Just not that bad, though. Wow. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to that person right there. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the rest of that video called The Pootis Birds Are Coming. Like, yeah, I gotta say, during on that funny one, I really have to say to admit that, Rip Sniper from the Rip Sniper from the Blue Pootis Heavy Birds. Well, anyways, hope that you guys are actually excited. I hope you guys enjoy that reaction. Like I said again, don't forget to subscribe to the original person, original credits for original video. And I have to say, this was not a bad video almost. Like, that is not almost that bad. I mean, like, I gotta say again, that was pretty crazy. Like, yeah, I mean, pretty crazy after when those heavy birds were coming up there. Like, I mean, they were really charging at the one who was shooting them. Like, dang, bro, that's absolutely dang. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yes, Mortal Kombat 4 shall still remain to continue. Anyways, without that being said, everybody, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys for the next video. My name is the new best fun toad ever, and I'll see you guys once again next time. Bye bye, everybody.